Charlie to dream big. Miss Raina was as excited as her students about Dream Big Week. What do you want to be when you grow up? Charlie had no idea. Where will your wings take you? Students were writing their dream jobs on their own colorful wings. This is the colorful wings. Look, doctor, engineer, and Charlie? Well, she had no idea. She was stumped. Charlie did have dreams, mostly at night, but they seemed to vanish the moment she awoke each day. As far as big dreams about her future, well, she had no idea. Okay, as you keep working on your wings, is anyone ready to share their dreams for the future? Charlie was surprised to see how many hands went up, waving wildly to be chosen. Charlie sat on her hands, thankful her teacher pointed to Hazel. This is Charlie.
Hazel?
Yeah. I want to be an astronaut, Hazel shouted confidently.
Hazel shouted.
I'm going to Mars. Anyone want to come with me? Laughter and cheers ran throughout the room. Charlie was afraid of heights, so there was no rocket ship in her future. This is Martin. Martin declared, I'm going to be a famous actor. Charlie was dizzy just thinking about being on stage. Anya stood up. I'm going to be an engineer. I'll build a bridge across the ocean. That's impossible, chortled Brandon. Engineers love to ponder impossibles, their teacher reassured them. Charlie felt more and more nervous. Miss Raina looked directly at her and smiled. Then she said to everyone, don't worry if you need more time. This is a very big question. After school, as Charlie walked home, she grew more and more anxious. The more she worried, the slower she went, until finally she stopped, frozen in her tracks. Her head hung low. She stared down at her toes. This is the toes. There they were. Charlie smiled. 10 toes. You wanna count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 toes. All pointing in the right direction. Then she gave her toes a good wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. She breathed deeply. She felt grounded. Charlie whispered to herself 4 words. She kept going, determined. The next morning, after a deep sleep, Charlie awoke, surprised that she'd remembered her dreams. Dreams that inspired ideas. She was excited to get back to school to share. This is Charlie, so happy. Charlie's teacher greeted her students. Is there anyone else who wants to tell us their dream for the future? Miss Raina was surprised to see that not only was Charlie the first to raise a hand, but that she was wearing her colorful wings. This is the colorful wings. Charlie stood up and was about to share, but suddenly she felt frozen again. Then she wiggled her toes, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. She slowly shared, I don't exactly know what I want to be when I grow up, but I do know what kind of person I want to be. My dream is to be a bit braver every day. Charlie paused and added, I also want to be a good person, a happy person. The class pondered her words. Then slowly her classmates joined in. I want to be a bit Laura, whispered Samina. Colby added, I want to make people smile more. Anya shared, I want to be a creative thinker. I want to be the one people count on, said Koopa. I want to be adventurous, Hazel exclaimed. Josh joined in, making the class laugh. I want to sleep a lot. Charlie then shared, the most important thing is to keep going. Miss Rina and her class posed for their dream big photo. Charlie looked down at her toes and gave them a good wiggle, 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 wiggle. She was ready, a confident dreamer, always moving forwards, always. The end. You don't always have to know exactly where you're going. Just keep moving, moving forwards. So go ahead. I'm daring you to dream big. Peter Hamilton writes. The end.
Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.